Enskate. Enskate. Just enjoy skating.
Meet the Teamgee electric skateboard. An ultra-thin, lightweight, and comfortable e-skateboard. Carefully designed with stability in mind, the Teamgee is only 12 millimeters thick and just 8 centimeters off the ground. It has an 18-kilometer range on a single charge, an integrated battery that charges to full in just 2 hours, a low center of gravity that allows for comfort control and max stability, powerful brushless motors for quick acceleration, steady brakes to slow down safely, easy controls so you can pick up and go, high elasticity PU wheels for a comfortable ride, 2 speeds for any level of rider, makes climbing 20-degree hills a breeze, a downhill regenerative battery so you can recharge on the go, wireless controls for changing speeds, braking, or reversing direction, easy to clean and maintain, compression resistant, strong dual hub motors to get you where you need to go, and a nice emery paper cover. Teamgee, back us today.
Today I will be introducing a brand new product, a special product for beginners or skaters who are just entering the electric skateboard market. If you're a rookie and you're just not yet convinced that an electric skateboard is for you, then this board is the best and cheapest choice at entry level. This is the brand new G2 Black 2020. This new G2 Black is brought to you by Backfire, one of the most trustworthy and reliable brands worldwide. This board will only be around $400 US. It has 3 new features. First of all, it's equipped with the latest Hobbywing LCD remote control, with which you can check the skateboard's speed, range, power and other data. Secondly, it is equipped with a 42 volt 5.2 amp hour battery, which can give you up to 18 kilometers range. That's 11 miles, which makes it the leader in the $400 market. Thirdly, the battery enclosures and all electronic components have been further waterproofed. Backfire has the advantage over other brands of having local warehouses in the United States and Europe to ensure the swift delivery of your board and local customer service team. Elegant looks, brand recognition and the excellent after-sales service system make the G2 Black the most worthy entry-level electric skateboard.
Skatebolt is an electric skateboard company based in Los Angeles whose main goal is to offer electric skateboards that are safe, convenient, and affordable. The Breeze II is our next generation electric skateboard. It's the fastest in the market and has the longest lasting battery, which will last 15 to 18 miles. It has 4 speed modes: low, medium, high, and high plus. The high and high plus speed can go up to 28 miles per hour on 100mm wheels and 25 miles per hour on 90mm wheels. Medium can go up to 15 miles per hour and low at 7 miles per hour on 90mm wheels. The trucks used has a diameter of 310mm, providing a more stable riding experience. Pushing down on the brake of the remote and pressing the HL button will change the braking modes. There's B1 through B4. B1 brakes the softest, while B4 brakes the hardest. We recommend B2 for most riders. The Breeze II is also waterproof for less than 1 meter and can stay submerged for up to 20 seconds. Our ESC protected box is made of aluminum, giving it good heat dissipation and higher strength. Most electric skateboards, you have to replace the battery by removing the grip tape, which can damage the board. The Breeze II has an easily replaceable battery case on the bottom. Now skaters can detach the wheels from the motor. With most electric boards, replacing the wheels also means replacing the motor since they're connected to each other. On the Breeze II, you can simply remove the wheel without removing the motor, helping you save money in the long run. Parking at school can be a pain, and so can getting to your class on time. Skating to class on a Breeze II is a stylish way to make sure you're on time for your exam. The deck material is made of bamboo with double layers of fiberglass, making the board flexible and resilient. The remote's LCD screen will give you details such as distance traveled, battery life, speed, and more. Pushing down on the LED while you're riding will activate a cruise control mode and will maintain its speed without using the accelerator. There's also 2 LED taillights that flash while holding the brake, assuring your safety when riding at night.
Understand Meepo. You can truly enter its world. You will feel the wind on your skin. It's like seeing the world through colorful eyes. Behind the birth of Meepo, with the 5 years of passion and development, we built the experience of over 60,000 pieces Meepo boards to try to make the best electric skateboard. V4 has all new FOC technology, increase the stability of handling and the safety of taxiing, smooth board with the comfortable wheels, super fast charging, fully charged in 30 minutes. Meepo V4 has 4-speed switching modes. Make commuting your way. High power output dual motors, easy to pass the slope. When technology gives soul, everything is possible. Meepo V4.
Today, I will be introducing a brand new product from Backfire, the first of 2020. Here is the Zealot. This is a belt-driven electric longboard. In the past, we compared hub motor boards with belt-driven ones. Equally, they have their own unique advantages. At the price point of less than $700 US, it offers more value than its competitors in the current market. The Zealot has 3 major advantages. The 311 watt-hour super large battery can give you 28 to 36 kilometers in range. Using a high discharge rate, 21,700 cells, means that there will be no voltage sag in the whole riding experience. This board comes equipped with 96mm diameter, 78A durometer, high resilience professional skateboard wheels. You can also now buy 105mm wheels, which have been jointly produced by Backfire and Cloud Wheels. Zealot is now available with a purchase link in the description at the bottom of this video.